taking that knowledge from them and then using it for commercialization without giving share to them, probably that is something we are like not justifiable, we can say. And when we are talking about this particular traditional knowledge, disclosure of origin, obviously that is one, we can say the one good way, that yes, you are disclosing, yes, the source of that particular traditional knowledge is this part of India or this part of China, whatever it may be, wherever that traditional knowledge is there. Then TKDL library is one of the library after Haldi and Neem case, that was the directions, and we are able to, we have created that. But whether that have solved the problem or whether that have given more access to the traditional knowledge, again that is the question. So we will not go into details of that, but that one situation is there. Please listen carefully. What I have said is that whether we have given more access to traditional knowledge or whether we have protected that traditional knowledge by creating that traditional knowledge digital library is again the, we can say, the question or a thing which we can just deliberate on that or think about that particular situation. Then there